Have a nice day, everyone. I want to please you. Wait? Well, for us ladies, when a man shows up with another lady on his arm and he tells us he's about to announce something and to wait, now you ladies know, you female dears know, now that's time to get a little suspicious and even a little anxious. So, well, of course, we want to know what this news is. Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, it's my pleasure to see you again. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, you subscribers know you are a very special kind of dear. So thanks again for subscribing. Well, my dear friends, today's reaction video is going to be a little different, but it's going to be a reaction to a post that Dimash posted on his Instagram feed. And if all of you dears are following Dimash, you might have seen it, but for the ones who didn't, it looked like this. I personally think that I don't know how I feel about this, my female dears. So, in today's video, I want to start that conversation. We need to have that conversation about how do we feel about our Prince of Kazakhstan making that decision to start his family or to start dating. Well, in today's video, I want all my female dears to rush to the comment section and let me know exactly how you feel about this news. Now, we don't know what it is because, well, my dear friends, for me, I can't say it's good news or not, because you dears know in my first official video, I made a promise with my husband when Dimash finds himself a girlfriend or a wife that I would give him up. And I wasn't promising then too. I told him I'm not promising I'm going to give him up. So, I mean, I may make room for the new young lady that he's dating, potential wife. But I can't promise I'm giving him up. So we'll see where that goes. But, well, my dear friends, I have to say I have mixed emotions about this one. Because as much as I want our Prince of Kazakhstan with the diamond vocal cords to be happy, I'm not so sure I'm ready for him to be distracted right now, or to be out of focus for his personal plans and goals that he had. Because we dears know, if there's anything that Dimash loves more than life, that more than anything else, I have to say, apart from his grandparents, his old parents, and his young parents, and his family and friends, and that is, we know the stage is his first love, and his music, and his fans, and his family, and his grandparents especially. So we know when a woman comes in the picture, that's kind of complicated, and it's not going to be easy. So I watched, I came across a few videos that Dimash did a while back and recently. And let's listen to some of the things that he has said when he's looking for that special someone, what he's looking for in a lady. So let's watch.
В Украине будете искать, или это принципиально у себя на родине? И какие вам девушки нравятся? Наши интересуются украинки.
Украинки очень красивые. Очень красивые. Самое главное, мне надо поскорее отсюда уехать, чтобы голову не потерять. А то, не дай бог, случайно под воздействием чар украинских девушек женюсь, не дай бог еще.
Почему же не дай бог?
Ну, пока не хочется еще. Еще хочется погулять. Не то, что погулять, поработать, походить.
А родители не дают? У нас просто, когда уже примерно 25 лет, говорят так, уже нужно семью, детей, родители не говорят вам уже этого? Что Димаш, давай, уже пора.
Родители, наверное, скорее всего, знают, что я отвечу, поэтому особо так. Аккуратно так. Пару раз.
Намекнули.
Пару раз, но, наверное, даже. Нет, они мне доверяют, они хотят, чтобы этот шаг у меня был сделан осознанно. И я считаю, что нельзя жениться с бухты-барахты просто так, просто потому, что тебе 25. Надо прийти к этому, надо до этого осознать, постичь, и все будет в будущем.
Ну какой она должна быть, я не знаю, какие качества.
Идеально должна. Она должна, во-первых, быть человечной, это раз, скромной, очень такой важный момент для меня. Не должна открыто одеваться слишком. И вообще, не то, что слишком, вообще. И прежде всего, она должна будет любить моих родителей больше, чем меня. Потому что если она будет с большой любовью и уважительно относиться к моим родителям, конечно же, я буду ее больше любить. Соответственно, раз уж я ее очень сильно буду любить, то она будет меня сильно любить. Это такая цепочка. И не знаю, иногда бывает так, что у тебя есть какие-то критерии, какие-то требования. А иногда бывает так, что ты можешь влюбиться вообще в другую девушку. И поэтому все будет по воле Аллаха и по велению сердца. Так что насчет свадьбы еще рано говорить вообще.
Хорошо, спасибо вам огромное. Сейчас насчет...
At least in this portion of the video, he understands that there's a possibility that you can find the woman of your dreams, and there's a possibility that fate can give you someone totally different, and you don't have any control, but you're desperately in love with that person, and you know there are certain things that men can do or would do for a woman, and we know that a woman can take a man from completing his purpose, or we know how a woman could take a man on a detour Now, you female dears know that we female dears know that there are all types of women out there. So, I am going to start with them because it's Dimash, and we have to make sure he gets it right the first time, because we have the grandparents, the wisdom of his grandparents, the wisdom of his parents, and his wisdom of being out there in the world and in the music world. We're going to trust that he's going to make the right decision. But we also know that in love, sometimes fate, the FATE, not the FAITH, can bring you the wrong woman. So let's just all pray that he gets the right woman and the one woman of his dreams, because he deserves it. So, as I was saying, we female dears know there are all sorts of women out there. And we all know, we're going back to the Bible. We're going to start with Adam and Eve. For all my female, mature women dears that have a maternal instinct towards Dimash, I would like to know how you feel about Dimash getting into a relationship right now. I am curious to know if you think whether or not it's the right time, if it will distract him from all the goals and the plans that he have right now. I don't know if some of my female dears are ready to lose their prince of Kazakhstan with the diamond vocal cords to anyone right now other than his music and his the stage and his concerts and fans. I don't know if some of the men are ready for him to be involved in a relationship, because some of you men know what a woman can do to a man when he has a mantle and he has goals and dreams, and they found a woman and that was it. So I want to hear from some of you men out there too. I want to know, how do you feel about Dimash getting in a relationship right now? Whether you feel like it's a good time, or whether you feel like, maybe he should just keep doing music for now, and then later on settle down. Dears, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't a regular reaction video to music, but hey, this one was even more important because it's Dimash announcing to us that he's about to make a serious decision or a commitment. And I'm going to tell you, this is something to react to, especially for my female dears. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and I'm waiting to review your comments. And if you're enjoying my content, I would ask you to subscribe. And for those who have already subscribed, I truly, truly appreciate you. So, also, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. So my fellow dears, that's it for this video. And according to what type of comment you guys leave me in the box below, then I'll determine whether I am gonna do a review on those comments, and then we'll do a second video. So that's it for today's video. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.